Hi everyone. Today we're recording Saigon Center / Jagassimaya. And first we got zombie. Oh, these are Schindler 5500. What's going on? What's going on? I think this floor is locked. Okay, I guess nothing to do, just to record around. You know, I have to take the escalator. The whose button? Bye. We're at zone A and we have a lift. This is Schindler. Schindler 5500. Did you copy? Dictionary. Screen. My dad.
Door opening. Door closing. Door closing.
19%, 1,450 kilograms.
Door opening.
Ooh.
Door closing. Door opening.
This is the button dictionary. Ooh. Found some roommates at B2. Free.
Door opening. Door closing.
Hey, what's next door? We indicated this time.
Door opening.
Let's get some photos.
Door closing.
You close at 4. You close at 4. These are the handicap buttons. I have handicap button here.
Door opening. Door closing.
Pretty much the black buttons. Alarm. Indicator. Capacity. Schindler. Is it a 5,000?
Door opening.
5,500.
Door closing.
Oh, very nice. Be free.
Door opening. Door closing.
Wow.
Door closing. Door opening. Door closing. Door closing.
G là 1. Choose one.
D1 hay là 1?
1.
Ok.
Door opening. Door closing. Door opening. Door closing. Door opening. Door closing.
It's an agreement.
Door opening. Door closing. Door opening. Door closing.
Not too crowded. It only have 5 minutes in the video. We still had 5 minutes in the video. Very nice. 2 indicators. I can record all 2 indicators right now. Like that behind the mirror on the wall. I mean on the door. Well, let's get a full check. Oh wow, let's get a full check. Okay, we'll end up P6 to right RPTL2.
Door opening.
Oh, there's one, there's one. Finally, this is nice.
Door closing.
Oh, this elevator's way colder than the other one. Let's do the handicap panel. Maybe I'll take a picture. Let's just take a picture of these buttons.
Basement 3.
Oh my god.
Door opening. Elevator going up. Door closing.
Oh, very crowded.
Door closing. Level 1. Door opening. Elevator going up. Door closing.
Alarm? Schindler. Saigon Center.
Level 3. Door opening. Elevator going up. Door closing. Level 4. Door opening. Elevator going up. Door closing.
And capacity. Just have a different voice.
Level 6. Door opening. Elevator going down. Door closing. Door closing.
This is a very nice cap here. Like that. Handicap button. The host button. Handrails. Alarm. And now GroupMate is at B2. And another indicator. Wow. Fast. Did you see it fast? Pretty much. What? Yes.
Basement 6.
Bro.
Door opening.
I think there's enough.
Elevator going up.
Bye. Now we're at Zone B, Saigon Center. Yes! Finally. It's been locked. This one is going down. Very nice golden spot. Oh, there we go. Wow, pretty nice. Let's go to 6. Yeah, this one does sound like the Van Hammond elevator voice. Keep recognizing these voices. They're just the same cabin, same capacity, and about 46. Wow, empty spot too. I like this. I like this. This is the elevator number 2. Very nice indicator moving. So the same button, the who's button. Not just Lena buttons. The who's button. Very good, full strap. Okay, very good. 6. Watch this guy move. Cannot see it. Cannot see it. Here's another dictionary. Well, just the same dictionary. Very nice cabin. My famous YouTuber said that this is like Singapore type cabin. I don't know, but it could be. Ooh, wow.
If you go B6, you can go outside. You cannot go outside.
Oh, I see it. I see. Oh, wow, so fast. Very fast. Look at this. Very fast. Only 2 minutes in the video. Let's go 1 to corner left. Super fast lift. I'll show you again. Look at this. Look at this. Why?
You can change the elevator in between.
Oh, can it change? Okay, fine. We'll keep going to 1. And I'm grooming. This one's coming down. Oh, cookie. Oh, number 1 is coming. Oh, only F4. Oh. Let's wait for another one. Just get elevator number 2. Oh. No. Oh. Finally. What? Oh, you just cancel it. Oh, come on. Hello? Oh, what? Didn't open, but stopped. That is insane. These elevators are insane. Oh my. I cannot see. Oh, there it is. I'm stopping.
Door opening.
Oh, I remember that. The last time I pressed up,
Closing.
and then the elevator arrived with the floor up. See this? These are very fast Schindler. 5500. It doesn't have to do that. Show you the indicator. DBBL1.
Door opening. Door closing.
Only 5 minutes in a video. Pretty good. Wow. Wow. This is different. Different than the other one. This one is usually like this. Now it's like this. This is funny. We get full trip again. Now we can earn these full trips. We can earn full trips. Hello?
Door opening. Door closing.
Do you feel like this elevator feel like in Van Halen Mall? Can't see for that. A B2?
Door opening.
Already left. See, I got a lift. That was pretty lucky.
The last lift.
This is the last lift of the whole trip. DPPL free. Hello.
Door
This takes a long time.
closing.
Let's see how fast this one too. Yeah, it's normal speed. Just look at this. Very good elevator moving. Only a B2.
Door opening.
Level so slow.
Door closing.
The level is so slow. That's why I keep thinking that the elevator is broken, because the leveling is so slow. It's so fast. These elevators are fast too. How do you rate this elevator? Is it fast, or is it faster than Estela, or is just
Maybe faster than Estella.
Door opening. Door closing.
still like these cabins?
Okay.
My dad is still here. Why? Oh yeah, I have a button that I know in Starbucks. I cannot show you. I'm just saying.
Starbucks where?
Starbucks at level 2, not level 1, like you said.
Not level 1, but where do you want to go? What do you want to go Starbucks?
Door opening.
To meet the person I know, one person I know works there. He used to work at Lemar 81 and now he works at Saigon Center. Oh no, be free. The level's so slow.
Door closing.
The leveling is so slow. It would be 2.
Door opening. Door closing.
very good elevator. Here for 2. Hello.
Door opening.
Wow, very good here. That's it. Hi everyone. Today I recorded Saigon Center. This place is very crowded and only at the afternoon because this morning I got zombie like a lot of food trips. And there are 5 passenger lifts, but the small lifts like Sedona suits, office parking, 2 office parking, and the freight lift. But I cannot record it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.